Hello YouTube, today I am going to teach you how to make a connect. Yeah, so here we go. First we open the box and we take out the cool looking tire. We do that, open it up like this. This is the pieces you're going to have, there's no more extras, so don't lose any. There are no directions for this, so you have to do it all by hand. Okay, so now that I have everything all set up, I have to open up the bag. Hold on. Okay, so I take my scissors and I open it like this. Okay, make sure none of the pieces fall out, because you do not want to be finding these stuff. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be taking the flat pieces. Okay, here's the flat pieces, and then you're going to take this, and you're going to take the main, and have all these in this. Okay, then you go like lay them all out so that way you know you have them all. Then you look for this and another one, and then another one and another one. So you should have 4 altogether. When you get all of them, you're going to put 2 of them right here. You're going to make sure that on the inside of where the pluses go, see there's little pluses on it. So when you put the little pluses on the inside, okay, like so, and then you do it for the other side like this. But this time the pluses go on the outside. I found this the easiest way to make them. And you take these parts, this flat one, and you go like this, and put it on like these. Then you take this, and you go over like this, and then you do that. Okay. Now once you're done with that, you're going to put, hold on, let me find it. You're going to take this yellow bar, if I can find it, oh this one, this yellow bar, and you are going to take these 2 pieces, right, and then you're going to attach them to the yellow bar like so, right, like so. Once you've done that, you are going to take the green pieces in the bag, or the greenish yellow pieces, and you are going to put them all on top of that yellow, or on top of the gray thing. So it's going to look like this. Okay. Once you do this, you're going to put them in here in little circles. Once you put it in the circles like that, you are going to take this part, this little part, and you're going to take this one, and then you are going, but first you're going to put this one, I almost forgot, you're going to put this one right here. And then once you do that, you are going to take these two orange pieces. Oops, I almost lost my pizza. You take these two purple pieces, put it in like that, snap it in like that. And then you are going to take this piece, put it in this piece, put it in like that, and then you are going to take this, or this, put it in like that. Something like that. Right. And then once you do that, you take these two orange pieces and you put it on like this. Let me think. You put it on like this. And you go like this. And you take these. And you put this. And once you put them on like that, you take each piece, you put it over like that, and then like that. Now all we have left are the big pieces. You put these two right here. And what you do, last but not least, with this, and like this. And then you take this one, put it in like that, and there you go. You are done with the connects. It took only 8 minutes to do. Okay. Thank you for watching.